The Steam error code E87, a frustrating login failure often pointing to network or corrupted client files. First, close Steam completely. Ensure it is not running in the background via the task manager. Now, locate your Steam desktop shortcut. Right-click on it and select Properties from the context menu. In the Steam Properties window, navigate to the Shortcut tab. You will see a field labeled Target which contains the exact file path to your Steam executable. Carefully highlight and copy the entire path displayed in this target field. You can use Ctrl+C to copy it. Next, open the Run dialog box by pressing the Windows key plus R simultaneously on your keyboard. Paste the Steam target path you just copied into the Run dialog box. Now, the crucial part, add a space after the closing quotation mark of the path and then type /repair. This action executes a dedicated repair process for the Steam client's core files. Method 2. Right-click on Command Prompt in the results and select Run as Administrator. This is vital to ensure the network commands execute with full system permissions. Inside the command prompt, type the following commands exactly as you see it and press Enter after each. Now, crucially, restart your entire Windows PC to fully apply these low-level network changes. Once restarted, relaunch Steam and attempt to log in. If this video solved your issue, please leave a like and subscribe.